Welcome back. It's been gone a long time, I know. All right, today, Tuesday, April 14th, lesson 91 is what we're ready for. Now, for a while now, we have been multiplying and dividing signed numbers, positives and negatives. And just as a reminder, don't forget multiplication and division. When we're multiplying same signs, we end up with a positive answer. And dividing, our answer is positive. When they are different, our answer is negative. Okay? So again, we've been talking about that on and off for a while now. Today's lesson is huge with this. So make sure if you haven't memorized that you do, you write it down and remember that. Problem 91, lesson 91, problem 1, example number 1. We have x minus xy minus y. Okay? Make that easier. And it then tells us x is negative 2 and y is negative 3. Now, one of the other things that I told you a while back is when we are substituting these in, please make sure you put parentheses around them so that you know that you're multiplying, especially these two. For example, x is negative 2 minus, put a negative 2 in for this x, y, negative 3, and then minus a negative 3 again. So we have substituted x and y with negative 2 and negative 3. Now we start solving. We have a negative 2 here. Negative 2 times a negative 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Negative negative is a positive 6. But what's in front of that? A minus. Negative and positive, which I just talked about before, when multiplied gives us a negative. Parentheses are forms of multiplication. Negative and negative here gives us a positive 3. Okay? Now, one of the things that I've been going over with you is take the signs that have the same number when we're adding or subtracting. Add the numbers with the same sign. So negative 2 and a negative 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. And they have a sign of negative. So we have a different marker. Negative 8 plus 3. Now that we're adding, and my signs are different, subtract them. 8 minus 3 is 5. Which number is bigger? 8. And what sign does it have? Negative. So the negative 8 plus 3 will give me a negative 5. So we substitute in, and then we solve accordingly. Now, example 2, this is where I told you we were headed, that we would eventually get here. Now they're taking away some of those parentheses. And they're just asking you to solve. So, let's start solving. Negative 2 stays negative 2. 3 times 2 gives me 6. Positive and negative? Negative. So it's a negative 6. Got a parentheses here, same as here, so we're multiplying. 2 times 4, 8. Negative and a positive, opposite signs. When multiplying gives us a negative. So I have a negative 2 minus 6 after we multiply, minus 8 after we multiply here, all negatives, so we can simply add them and take that sign. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. And then my sign is negative. So the biggest thing for lesson 91 is making sure when we're substituting in, put them in parentheses so that you don't end up with something like this, where we would be tempted to simply add rather than multiply. So don't do that. And then here, make sure we're multiplying. Pay attention to our signs. Again, when we're multiplying positives, answer is positive. Multiplying two negatives, answer is still positive. Signs opposite, then we end up with a negative answer. Okay? So lesson 91. On this lesson, do not do 19. Don't do number 19. And 20D. Do not do 19 and 20D. And that is lesson 91. Next will be lesson 92. We'll see you guys.